No, that's Roy. Hello. Currently working on my Reaper animatronic. We have got both arms working now. Well, we've got the size spinning, the arms moving, the lights going, the chin going, and it is sound sensitive. So I've currently got it plugged into a laptop, which has the URL for my Streamlabs notifications. And if we do a test donation,
I appreciate that you have a lot of money. I also appreciate that you gave it to me. Thank you.
that's Mark.
This is a test donation for 79 Australian dollars.
Both the Reaper and my normal puppets use Jawduino to do the audio conversion. They also have two servos, one to control the mouth and one to control the body turning left and right. The biggest things I need to work on now is deadening the sound of the servos and latency when it comes to doing the voice recognition. I think the issue here is that I'm using Bluetooth at the moment, so if I go direct in, we might solve that issue. Apart from that, that's it for now. If you want to see someone who has no idea what they're doing and swearing at themselves, come and check out the stream at any time. We've got new emotes.